Hey guys, so I got myself a induction wok, electric, and my traditional gas high BTU range wok. Both these woks are virtually the same. They're both 14-inch carbon steel wok. This one's I've been using for about 2 years now, has a good patina on it, and a lot of scratches. This one is my new one. It's a NUWAVE induction wok, which I could put or bring anywhere with me. It has a cover, it has a dry rack and everything else like that, and it has an induction surface, which is all electric. It goes up from 600 to 900 to 1500 watts, and this goes up to about 575 degrees in terms of heat. So we're going to do a quick comparison and just fry some eggs. Alright guys, this is going to bring back a lot of memories for me from my childhood, because this is how my dad used to make me fried eggs in the morning. Lots of oil, set to about 300 plus degrees. When it's nice and steamy like this, where the oil is hot and ready, basically he puts the egg in there, just like that. Putting the egg in there in this induction wok is really awesome. Reason why is because the oil came to temperature really fast at the 1500 watt energy level. So it took roughly about less than a minute for the oil to heat up this high. So very cool, very crispy edges. I could use stainless steel or steel utensils or chopsticks or whichever one. It doesn't matter because this is a carbon steel wok. Now using the gas wok, the range wok, same thing, high BTU. I have like double burners there, and it comes to heat and temperature extremely fast. Same thing with if I use the other burners, it'll probably be a little slower, but this wok, this was designed for wok, so yes, it's pretty awesome. Again, it took about a minute for it to start up. For the regular burners, it took a little longer, but overall, I love using my gas wok because it's just fast. And again, same way of cooking, super amount of oil, and just flip this thing, and I could use pretty much a spatula or a bent ladle like this. And I prefer using a bent ladle so I can actually scoop stuff up. Good stuff. It's actually a little too hot, so I need to put it a little lower because you can see all that oil and vapor and steam. And I have to turn on the exhaust fan for this, for both of them, because I'm frying oily stuff like this. Very good, and there you have it. Both of them look very similar because both are cooked the same way. Fried edges, and I think I overcooked the induction one because I left it a little too long. The other one is just right because the inside yolk is still runny, which is how I like it. Very cool. Anyways, they both taste awesome, and this is exactly how my dad used to make it before I went to school, and it brings back some memories. So very cool stuff. In a nutshell, both woks are awesome. They bring the oil to a temperature really quick, especially the induction one. So which one do you prefer? Would you rather use gas or electric? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.